Hello, I'm Dr. Haluk Bilgin, ENT and head and neck surgeon. Now we are going to chat shortly on what's called an FESS or FESS surgery. It's for short, a short acronym for functional endoscopic sinus surgery. It's done totally in the nasal cavity using an endoscope, a nasur, and other special instruments. It's done to remove growth in the nasal cavity or in the sinuses, such as polyps, neoplasms, granulomas, or the other foreign bodies, or some insects or other projectiles like from firearms. This procedure can be performed either under general or local anesthesia. The endoscope is used to guide the surgeon and the instruments. When there are polyps, especially large polyps, another special instrument that's either called a marcellator or shaver is used. It's a special motorized instrument that consists of a rotating blade that rotates inside a sheath, and the sheath has two special inlets, one for normal saline to irrigate, to clean, and another one to suction, to aspirate. So suction and irrigation together with the rotating blade minces the soft tissues of the polyp or the growth, and irrigates and removes it from the surgical site. Once the soft tissues are removed, then the aim is to remove the thin bone that's called the uncinate process that closes the osteomeatal complex of the middle meatus. Those are medical terms, but we have to use them because there is no other name to describe them. But in short, it's the lateral wall of the nasal cavity, which is between the sinuses, the jiyub in Arabic, and the nasal cavity, the الانفية. So we remove those small bony structures. Those are like honeycomb, very small air cells in the bone, which is a very thin bone. It is actually thinner than the eggshell, and those are like honeycomb small cavities. We remove them, and then we enlarge the access to the maxillary sinus, to the final frontal sinuses, which is originating in the frontoethmoid recess, and in some cases removing also the middle turbinate, and usually making those small cells into a large single cavity that is easy to observe, to examine and clean if necessary. Thank you.